Hello and welcome to another episode of The Forgotten Manual Tech Edition. Today we're going to cover and talk about something that either everybody knows or nobody knows. But the catch is, some of you know about it, and that item is dark mode. And some of you are not aware of it. And the reason I bring this up is sometimes I'll see an environment and I'm like, wow, that is bright. And in those circumstances, I said, did you know we have dark mode? And more often than not, I hear the answer, no, I did not. How do you actually enable that? So today, we're going to cover that. We're going to start by doing it in the on-premises instance as well as in the cloud instance. So first, we're going to start in the VMware vRealize Operations Cloud, also known as Aria Operations Cloud. And it's very simple and straightforward. We're going to go over here, and you see this little measure thingy, that is our preferences. So we're going to go and click on preferences, and I'm going to change it from dark to light. Hit my little save button, and refresh happens, and then life is bright. Go close my little X thing out there. Life is quite bright. So at that point, hey, I was in dark, now I am in light mode. So, because I want to change it back, because I don't want to use light mode, I'll go flip back over here, hit save again, and then life is going to be good also. And go close that part out. Boom. Now I am in dark mode, back from light mode. So that is how it is done inside vRealize Operations Cloud. If I wanted to do this in an on-premises instance, I go to my on-premises instance here. And it's a little different. Rather than having that little thing we clicked before, now we actually go click on the little person here. And that little person will have an option for preferences. We go click on our preferences, and it looks very similar. Hey, preferences, light mode. I hit save, and then we got us a little refresh. Totally refreshing. And now we are in light mode. It's that simple, that straightforward. Obviously going to switch it back to show you that you can, and also because I don't want to blind myself. And boom, boom, boom. Refresh, refresh, refresh. And that is it. Very straightforward, very simple. If you didn't know how to do it, now you do know. If you didn't know where to do it, now you do know. And also, best of all, is if you weren't even aware that it was a possibility, it's something you can absolutely take advantage of if you happen to be light sensitive like I am. Well, I hope you liked this video. I was trying to put one out that's short and sweet. Give the video a like. Definitely give the channel a subscribe. You know, if there's certain things that I'd love to know how to do a certain thing, let me know. You know, put it in the comments below and we can share how to do those certain types of things. But that's it here from the Forgotten Manual. I'm CXI, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.